Can you say more about your reaction to hearing klezmer music the first time?
More than it was like home, cozy, and more than that, wow. Um, well, it's hard to tell at that time exactly because after all those years working on Jewish music, I understood better maybe what attracts me.
Sure.
So I think it's this. Well, another cliche is that it's sad and happy at the same time, and that's exactly me. And it has two sides, or I would say three, four sides. So you play fast songs in minor, or you play, and so on. There's something in Jewish music that is it is something and it's something else at the same time, and it's always like not clear what it is. And I couldn't say that about some other traditional styles, non-Jewish, where, or maybe because they don't touch me that much, but I feel that it's what it is. And klezmer, maybe because of the history, maybe because of what I know, maybe because of my own history, I project. I really see something like not clear. You think it's this, but actually, if you look carefully, you see that it's that. And it's also the expression of, the musical expression of a very rich culture that somehow I guess I can feel in the music.